Hi everyone, this is Salman and you are watching ngntech YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to install the vCenter deployment in your production environment. So before we start the videos, please, I will request you please subscribe my channel, share my video, click on the comments and also click on the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's start. Alright, so what is the vCenter? Why we use? The question is, basically vCenter is the server. vCenter server is the centralized management utility for the VMware and is used to manage the virtual machines for multiple ESXi hosts and all dependent components from a single centralized location. Like you can manage all over the ESXi host machines from the centralized. Also, VMware vMotion and vMotion is required to use a vCenter and ESXi hosts. So it's very simple and very little bit briefly about the vCenter. And now time to types of the installation. There is a two type of the installation. One way is the Windows space vCenter, and second one is virtual appliance. So what is the difference between the Windows space and virtual appliance? So Windows based operating vCenter is you can install any kind of the Windows machine, Windows server and host operating system, so you can easily install it. But the problem is it's need to license when you installation in the new installation or in your production environment. So you need to Windows license, then you have to also require for the vCenter license. So there is two license required to install, but you have to run the virtual appliance. You need to one license because it's already installed in the ESXi host. So in this video you will learn how to install the virtual appliance on an ESXi host. So let's start. Alright, so here is the bootable CD I will in my D drive. So let me mount it, and here is the bootable 3.39 VCSA. Now click on it, and here is the VCSA UI installer. Click on it, and Win32 is the folder name, and here is the file you have to install the virtual appliance. So where I will install, I was installing on ESXi host 6.7. Let me log in it. Alright, so here is our 4 machines already running. Sorry. So now time to install. So click on the installer. Here is a 4 type. Install the new installations, upgrade, you want to upgrade, migrate, and restore. If you have already the backup, you can restore it. So I will new installations of the vCenter. Now click on the install the vCenter appliance. So here is the stage 1, deploy the appliance. So click next, accept the license agreement. So vCenter, there is a deployment types: the embedded platform services controller and external platform services controller. So I'm vCenter server with embedded platform services controller. Click on it and click next. The full qualifying domain name of the ESXi host. Right now I will not resolve the name, but you have to first resolve the name of your system. So I'm just adding my EXI host 192.168.1.50 is the EXI host, which is already I will run here, and username of my EXI host. Click next, and here's the certification as SHA-1 thumbprint certificate. Click next. So here is the vCenter name. So I'm called the vCenter. So I just add the vCenter 1 and set the password. Okay. Click next. So here is the deployment size. The tiny for this 2 CPU, 10 GB RAM, 300 GB storage, and 10 host. You can manage 10 host and 100 VMs. You can manage. Also, there is a small, medium, large, extra large. So 5 type of the installation. So I'm just for the lab purposing. So just I will right now the installations of the tiny. So 100 VMs are not, it's too much. So just okay. If you're running in your production environment, you have to know about how many hosts and how many VMs. Then you can select here. So right now is a tiny default, and click next. And here is the database of the EXI host which want to install. So there is a 2 database data storage. So one is data store 1 and second one is WD 2 TB. So here is our the free space. So let me check the WD 2 TB, and here is the type. They enable the thin disk mode, or so just I will click the thing. This will not consume all space, so let me click on it. And also you can install the new vCenter cluster containing the target host. If your the vCenters running in your network, so you can also add it. Click next. And here is the type of the network adapter we want to install. And here is the very tricky part. You can set the full qualified domain name, right? So my domain name is ngntech.com. You can already the previous video I will configure it, and let me cross check. Alright, so my domain controller is ready. So let me create one required domain name in the domain controller. So click on our domain controller, and here is our domain controller ngntech. Now here is the create a new host, and the host name is vCenter 1, right? And set the IP address 192.168.1.60, right? The PDR record, right? 160. Still no have. Let me confirm this IP is available. Yeah, this IP is available. Now also minimize it, and yeah, that's it. IP is available. So let me ping it and -t back to my domain controller and set the PDR record. vCenter 1.ngntech.com. Click OK. Successfully PDR record done. And now here is you can also reverse the PDA reverse lookup zone. So let me forward ngntech, and here is the one PDA record and the full warp address and the vCenter #1.ngntech.com. Wait, okay, already exists, right? Let me refresh. Yeah, okay, fine. So when you the ping on this host, you can check this, the DNS entries work fine, because there is no machine available right now because it's not installed. You can check the 192.168.1.60, we already said, because there is no machine available, right? So click on the copy, this is the host name, and back to my the VCSA and full file domain name is vcenter.h1.ngntech.com, in the IP address of 192.168.1.60, subnet mask 0, default gateway, and the DNS, this is very important, 1.250, already created before the previous video. You can also check on the description link the previous video of the DNS. So here is the very easy and proper way to install the vCenter, and click next, and you can ready to complete the stage 1, and you can check our the target host is 192.168.1.50, name is vCenter 1, deployment type the embedded platform controller, deployment size tiny, storage default, and storage disk mode is W2, and so on. Click finish. So it takes some time. When the installation complete, then review, we're back to the video, right? So you can also check here the new vCenter 1 machine is ready to install. It's import the files, data, image, and everything, right? So we'll solve the video and back when the installation is complete. Alright, so friends, the stage 1 is complete. Stage 1 deployment of vCenter is complete. So let me continue. And click next. The stage 2 is time to install the stage 2. So here is the time synchronization mode, and you have already running the NTP server in your the corporate LAN. You can also add the IP address of the corporate LAN NTP server. So right now has no NTP in my lab. So I will default it for the synchronized time with EXI host. So SSH access, right? So if you need enable the SSH access, you can enable it, or you can disable it if you want. I'm enabled. Click next. So here is the single sign of the domain name. Like if you the SSO domain name, so or you can join the existing domain name. So I will just create the administrator ngntech.com, right? So just domain name is ngntech, and the password 1, right? And hit click next. So join the VM customer experience environment program. So if you want to join, or you can also, I don't want it, click next. So here is the ready to complete the installation of the final step, stage 2, and click finish. So you in this stage you don't cancel it, right? You will not able to pause, or even you can close, just you can OK, and configure about the host and installation. So it takes some time. Appliance setup in progress. Don't close the window, nothing else. You can also just check here is the situation of my vCenter, or also you can check the response from 192.168.1.60. It's the reply back on my on my machine. And so stage 2 is installation, so it takes some time. So I'll stop the video and back when the installation is complete. Alright, so installation is success. Now click on vCenter vCenter -1.ngntech.com. This is the full qualified domain name. Let me confirm and check. Yeah, wonderful. So I will close it and our installation is complete. Oh yeah, wonderful. And now let's check. I will log out and login and administrator at ngntech.com, and the password is you have. Alright, so the first login of the vCenter. Alright, that's wonderful. So the installation is done. So thanks for watching. So I will stop the video and see you next video. We will add the different hosts in our vCenter. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. So please like, subscribe my channel. Also share my video and comments and tell me how is my videos. Please. Thanks for watching.